Throughout the course of history, individuals who fear the spread of knowledge have consistently engaged in the act of book burning. In 1258, the Mongols set ablaze the West Library in Baghdad, destroying its invaluable collection of books. Similarly, in 1933, the Nazis targeted German bookstores, burning approximately 35,000 scientific and literary works. More recently, in 2013 and 2015, extremist groups such as Al-Qaeda and ISIS reduced the libraries of Timbuktu and Mosul to ashes. And now, in 2023, an individual named Salwan Momika has undertaken the act of burning a book that holds sacred significance for approximately 2 billion people worldwide. This action aligns this person with some of history's most notorious criminals. However, what is even more disheartening is that the Swedish government views this act, which goes against humanity, as a means to support freedom of expression. The stance taken by the Swedish government in this particular situation was deemed peculiar, prompting a response from Joseph Borrell, the head of the European Union's foreign policy. Borrell vehemently condemned the act of burning the Quran, labeling it as offensive and provocative. Pope Francis, the leader of the Catholic community worldwide, also expressed his extreme anger and disgust at the burning of sacred Muslim books. However, the most significant aspect was the response from the Islamic nations, who, after a considerable period, found a common ground once again. The United Arab Emirates summoned the Swedish ambassadors in Abu Dhabi and issued a stern warning. Turkish President Erdogan declared that he would not support Sweden's NATO membership. Saudi Arabia regarded the burning of Quran as a hateful assault on Islam. Furthermore, the Iranian Minister of Foreign Affairs expressed the view that European nations, despite their professed commitment to human rights, are actually promoting anti-Islamism and Islamophobia within their own society. These reactions collectively convey a clear message. The act of Quran burning, despite the malicious intentions of those responsible, has served as a catalyst for Muslims worldwide to come together and exhibit a stronger sense of unity than ever before.